Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy, the Budget Enthusiast, and today we're going to do something a little different. So I just purchased a brand new SSD to put inside my PlayStation 5 to expand the storage. The stuff that you get built into it is you only get about 660 some gigs of usable storage space, and I've added a few games, PlayStation 5 games, to this hard drive already. So I'm kind of running low on space, and I got some other games coming down the pipeline that I want to purchase. Therefore, it's going to really take over the internal hard drive. So I had to buy an expansion. So I bought the Western Digital. Hopefully you can see that. Western Digital one. So you're going to take this journey with me today and putting this bad boy in and seeing how it works. So hopefully y'all can sit back, relax, and enjoy. I'll see y'all in a second. The Budget Enthusiast. All right, so we're back. So we're gonna try and install this bad boy. So this is the SSD right here. So we're gonna do a little unboxing real quick. None of my stuff is scripted, y'all. So this is all live and raw. So we're gonna tear this bad boy open, and we got usual manuals and things that they want you to know about it. We're gonna put that over to the side. Oh snap! A little fancy, some fancy stuff here. Put that over here, and here we are. So this is the SSD that you get. It's actually like really small. Like I remember hard drives used to be absolutely enormous. Like they would be the size of the daggone unit. And look at this. This is a terabyte right here, y'all. Technology, I tell you. So I'm going to figure out exactly what needs to be done here. So I think we already popped that off. So we're gonna put that over here to the side. We're gonna go ahead and this slot right here is where it goes. So we're gonna unscrew that real quick. Well, looks like I need a different style of screwdriver, so hold on one second. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so we're back in. So I had to go grab my little set here for, it's usually made for eyeglasses and smaller items. So it has the Phillips one that's small enough to go in there. So we're gonna use this one to unscrew this lock right here. So unscrew this little bay door. And it's going to reveal the slot. Now, this SSD is going to go in this way, but there's a screw that you need to move. So we have to undo this screw here. And what you're going to do is you're going to place that based on the size of the SSD. So once you pop this in, you're gonna see that it doesn't stay down. See that? So what you have to do is find out which hole it lines up with. In this case, it lines up with the one that's marked 80, and you're gonna put that in there, and it's gonna keep it down. Now, it's kind of awkward doing this behind the camera, so bear with me, y'all. Bear with me. Alright, we'll make sure that it has a snug fit. Make sure that it's tightened as much as it'll go. Now this particular one has a heatsink attached to it. So if you look here, it says with heatsink. So what that does is it helps once the hard drive is actually working and playing your game, it will heat up. So this helps to dissipate the heat the correct way, because when it comes to gaming, PCs, consoles, having a cooling solution is always the best. So this particular one has a heatsink with it. So we're gonna go ahead and button this back up. And we're going to plug it up and we're gonna see what happens. I'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, so I got the PlayStation on, and as you can see, it will pop up with a message that says to use your M.2 SSD, you need to format it. So obviously you're going to format it because you wanted to work with it. So we're going to do the format M.2 SSD. It'll take a few seconds. All right, it's going to tell you your read speed. The read speed for your M.2 SSD is as follows, and it lets you know what you're working with. So it meets the requirements. We're going to say okay. It has been formatted, so it will give me an option to change the installation location for my game. So when I download a new game, it will allow me to immediately put it on the SSD, and I won't be using the internal storage, which is pretty cool. All right, so look, check this out. We're gonna go in and we're gonna see how long it takes to transfer a game. So y'all sit tight and we'll be right back. All right, so what you wanna do next, y'all, you wanna go into storage, and then you wanna go into the M.2 SSD storage, and you can see that it has a full terabyte and it doesn't have any apps or games or anything on there. So what you can do is you go into your console storage, you go into games and apps, and then you can choose what things you want to move over. So I'm going to, as an experiment, I'm going to move my Resident Evil Village PS5 game data. So that is 27 gigs. So let's see, I'm going to select it, and then you can select items to move. I want Resident Evil, and I want to move it over from the console storage to the M.2 SSD storage. So I'm going to select move, and we're going to see how long it takes. So I'm going to confirm one more time. So we're going to move 27 gigs. Let's see how long it takes. And this is going in real time, y'all. That is absolutely amazing. It's moving 27 gigs. Look at that. It's awesome. Boom. So now it is actually on my SSD storage. So I'm going to back out, and I'm going to go over to the M.2 storage, and I'm going to see what's up there. Resident Evil Village. Look at that, y'all. Easy. It's super easy. So hopefully this was helpful for people who are trying to figure out what to do, and they need more storage. Some people are afraid to take off the panels on their PlayStation, and they don't want to modify and mess up anything, but it's super easy, and it doesn't void your warranty or anything. So it's hopefully this video helped you out. So this is all you have to do. So watch this video when you get yours if you need some help, and I can walk you through it. So thank y'all for watching, man. This is the first of its kind. I like to do these types of videos. So if you guys like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and maybe I'll do some more of these types of videos. So y'all take it easy. Peace. Boy DV. The budget enthusiast.